You don't have to look very hard to see that the 78 through 87 General Motors G-body cars are getting more popular every day, as they are the perfect candidate for an LS swap. The problem is virtually all of those vehicles came from the factory with an automatic transmission. Fortunately, American Powertrain decided to do something about that, and they've come out with this conversion kit that will allow you to put a 5 or 6-speed TREMEC into your 80s Monte Carlo, Regal, Cutlass, Grand Prix, that kind of thing. Now, what you get is a heavy-duty adjustable crossmember that will allow you to fit a 3-inch exhaust system. You have the bracket to mount the new clutch master cylinder. You have that all-important third pedal. And of course, you have the hydraulic release bearing kit that they have. Now, if you don't have a transmission, they can set you up with a TREMEC 5 or 6-speed. They can get you a performance clutch. Heck, they even do drive shafts. So, if you have an 80s G-body and you really want to shift the gears in it, American Powertrain can make that a reality.